In the year 1799, in the heat of the Egyptian desert, a young French soldier named Pierre-François Bouchard stumbled upon a most peculiar artifact. The object, a black basalt stone with engravings, would forever change the course of history. As the French troops were preparing to construct a fort, Bouchard noticed a slab half buried in the sand. He, along with his brother, took it to their supervisor, Colonel Pierre-Jean-Baptiste Savary. Intrigued, Savary reported the find to the Institut d'Égypte, a scholarly society in Cairo. Scholars in Cairo marveled at the stone, but it was Jean-François Champollion, a brilliant linguist, who unraveled its mystery. The stone was inscribed with texts in 3 scripts: Greek, Egyptian hieroglyphs, and Demotic script. Champollion recognized the Greek, but the other 2 scripts were unknown to him. Champollion spent years studying the stone, comparing its hieroglyphs to other ancient texts. In 1822, he made a groundbreaking discovery. He identified that the Egyptian hieroglyphs were phonetic, meaning they represented sounds. With this revelation, he could decipher the ancient language. Champollion's work was a watershed moment in the study of Egyptology. The Rosetta Stone provided a key to unlocking the secrets of ancient Egypt, allowing scholars to translate thousands of artifacts and texts. This new understanding revealed rich histories, mythologies, and cultures that had been hidden for centuries. The Rosetta Stone's discovery marked the beginning of a new era in ancient history. It showed that the past could be understood, not just admired from afar. Champollion's work paved the way for a deeper understanding of the ancient world, offering a glimpse into the lives of people long gone, but not forgotten. Yet, the Rosetta Stone's journey was not without controversy. It was taken from Egypt by the British during the Napoleonic Wars and is now housed in the British Museum. To this day, Egypt demands its return, a reminder of the complex relationship between nations and their shared history. The Rosetta Stone story is one of discovery, perseverance, and the power of knowledge. It serves as a testament to the human spirit's insatiable curiosity and our ability to decipher the mysteries of the past. The stone may be a relic of antiquity, but its impact continues to resonate in the halls of academia and the hearts of history enthusiasts worldwide.